motorhome season. So today, we're going to dare to compare the difference with Sunseekers. Let's take a look at what makes them so different. We all know that fiberglass is strong. So we have multi-layered laminated roof system, vacuum bonded laminated sidewalls, vacuum bonded laminated floor systems. These units are built to last. Our super light fiberglass is 50% lighter, unaffected by moisture. Our resilient Shaw floors, unaffected by moisture. There's so much to appreciate in the Sunseekers, but let's take a look at some of their differences. This is our 3010 Sunseeker. Her focus is on quiet. Her focus is on the kitchen, and anyone that says, I like to cook when I'm traveling, this is the unit. More counter space, perfect use of nooks and crannies, larger than ever microwaves, full kitchen, double refrigerator, and of course, a large bathroom as you walk into a queen-size bed, fully walk-aroundable. Again, lots of storage with cabinetry and more nooks and crannies. This unit offers great comfort on a larger body. Now let's see what else we have. And you'll never have to worry about stair motors breaking or dirty stairs. They're recessed and comfortable to step up. Next is our 3040, and this unit is the one for people looking for living space, more social gathering. This way everyone can face each other in great conversation. And again, fully functional galley, nice large bathroom, a fully walk-around bed, but one of the best parts is her storage inside with a huge closeted area. More things come standard on a Sunseeker. Like, who knew spare tires could be optional? Nope, Sunseeker, it's a standard. Now, if you're looking for something a little more compact, a little more budget-minded, we have a smaller girl, a 2250. Now this little girl has everything you need. Dining area, fully functional kitchen, walk-around bed, and a beautiful enclosed bathroom. Whether it's the Ford E450 6.8 Triton V10 or the Chevy Express 4500 6-liter V8, you have all the power you need to take you where you want to go. All of these units have wonderful redundancies. You have generator on board, and you'll never run out of gas. It'll shut off at a quarter tank, so you can take your camper anywhere. You also have solar ability. So again, you've got redundancies. You'll never be without power. Come on over to Country Camper today and see what we have for you.